Assalomu alaykum, Turboplast korxonasining kuzatuvchilari. Biz Payariq tumanidagi 55 gektarlik dala maydoniga tashrif buyurganmiz. Ushbu dala maydoniga biz esingizda bo'lsa, tomchilatib sug'orish tizimini joriy qilib bergan edik. Hozirda ushbu dala maydonida ekinlarni yig'ishtirib olish jarayoni ketmoqda. Xo'p, Germaniyadan tashrif buyurgan agronom va konsultant ushbu dala maydonining holatini ko'rish uchun kelganlar va ushbu dala maydonining agronomi bilan birgalikda o'tkazgan suhbatlarni biz video tariqasida joylashtiramiz. Ushbu videoni oxiriga tomosha qilsangiz, videoda qanday maqsadlar berilganligi, birgalikda fikr almashganliklari haqida ma'lumot olasiz. Qadrli kuzatuvchilar, mana ko'rib turganingizdek germaniyalik mutaxassisimiz va O'zbekistondagi vakillari ushbu dala maydoniga tashrif buyurganlar. Bahramjon aka, xush kelibsizlar. Welcome to Uzbekistan.
Assalomu alaykum, men ismim Bahrom Muhammadjonov. Men Testaka korxona rahbariman. O'zbekistonda biz 32 yildan beri oshiq biz uskuna texnikani yetkazuvchi bo'lib ishlaymiz. Biz Robert Gemp PPM korxona bilan birgalikda hamkorlikda biz O'zbekistonda maslahatchini olib boramiz.
Hozir bu kishining faoliyat turlari, o'zlari haqida kamroq ma'lumot bera olasizmi, Bahramjon aka?
No. You should introduce yourself.
Okay, I can start. So, Assalamu alaikum, Uzbekistan. My name is Robert Grimm. I'm a ground engineer from Germany, Bavaria. As you know, maybe you know Bavaria. And in Bavaria, I have my own farm. And I'm also consulting other farmers. In Uzbekistan, I'm working for more than 13 years. And today we're in Samarkand and want to support a farmer with crop rotation. Yeah, let's see what's happened today and we hope we can help well.
Men ismim Robert Grimm. Men germaniyalik fermerman. Bavariyada o'zimning fermer xo'jaligim bor. Mening mutaxassisligim agro-injener. Men 13 yildan beri O'zbekistonga kelib mutaxassis sifatida maslahatchini olib boraman. Shu biz dalaga kelib, bu yerdagi natijani ko'rib, bir maslahatchini olib bormoqchi edik.
Short tillage,
Yeah.
watering, that all the weeds come and kill them with glyphosate. Then you have a clean field for the beans and the next
Bunga
crops.
qanaqa qarshi ish olamiz deyaptilar-da, ular. Unda bo'lmasam sizlar o'rim qilib bo'lganidan keyin ozgina sug'orib, kultivatsiya qilsangiz, kultivatsiya qilib, chuqur emas, keyin sug'organingizda unda begona o'slar o'sayotgan paytida glifosat bilan to'liq qilib tozalasanglar bo'ladi deyaptilar o'shanda.
Endi bizlar hozir nima, o'zi aslida preparatlardan foydalanishi bu egishdan oldin ko'pincha preparatlardan foydalanish kerak-da. Shundagina urug'ni o'ldiradi. O'tda emas, urug'ni biz o'ldirishimiz kerak.
O'shanga aytyaptilar-da, o'rim bo'lgandan keyin yeva tayyorlab, kultivatsiya qilib, sug'orib, begona o'tlar chiqayotgan paytida to'liq qilib tozalab olsa bo'ladi glifosat bilan.
Xuddi shunday. Mana shu o'tda biz ertaga chiqqanimizdan keyin ekamiz-ku, chiqishi bilan masalan g'alla egamizku. G'alla qoladi, qolgan preparat bilan qolgan biz o'tlarni o'ldirishga majbur bo'lamiz-da. Endi har xil o'tlar chiqadi-ku, Granstatdan o'sha foydalanayotgan u preparatlar bilan foydalanganimizdan keyin bu o'tlar o'sishdan to'xtaydi. Qo'rab qoladi keyin. Faqat bizga bug'doy bo'lsa, bug'doy qoladi, fasol bo'lsa, fasol qoladi.
Lekin o'sha ekib bo'lganidan keyin sepasizlar.
Bizlar ekib o'sib chiqqandan keyin bug'doyimiz o'sib chiqqandan keyin.
Keyin begona o'tga tashlashadi. So normally they do after seeding. So they wait after when the wheat comes again. So they, for example, they see the wheat or beans. In the same time, they wait until the wheat comes and then they do herbiciding
But
against of.
but this selective herbicide.
Yeah, that's true.
Selective.
Yeah.
But the selective herbicides in soya beans, weak.
That's why he
Against
says,
this-
yeah, there's not so a good effect in that.
Only for this grass.
Yeah.
They are very good. For example, at my home, I clean the soya fields with this. If they have this product for the grass, but for the second leaf, no chance. Try to do it with glyphosate because now we can go inside. We have now all the seeds in the soil. I will show you.
To'g'ri sizib ham o't bo'lgan joyi, ularni o'sha bilan siz o'ldirsangiz bo'ladi aytayotgan to'g'ri bilan. Lekin qolgan sizda hozir begona o'tlar ularga qarshi ishlamaysiz, u preparat bilan.
Yo'q.
O'shani hisobiga ko'rgan bo'lsangiz juda ko'payib ketganda, hozirgi kunda o'sha donlari tayyorda hozir to'kilgan paytda keyingi yili yana ko'payib o'sib ketadi dalangizda.
Let's
Mana bu begona o'tni aytsak, bu bir bargli deb aytsak bo'ladi.
Bir bargli bu.
There are good preparats.
So siz aytayotganingiz bunga yaxshi qarshi bo'lib ishlaydi.
Because grass and beans completely different
Chunki
plants.
bular bir-biridan ajraladigan
Kinds of
o'simliklar.
So, and that's why we can kill them good. But this one, here, Melde, all these are 2 leaves, weeds, no chance.
Lekin
Effect
bular
is so
qolgan
low effect.
begenotlar, bular ikkita bargli begenotlar desak, o'shani hisobiga sizni gerbitsidingiz bularga qarshi ishlamaydi, effekti yo'q.
Hozir bizlar buni olganimizdan keyin, buni olganimizda biz bu arpa bug'doy egamiz-ku, bu joyga bug'doy egamiz. Bug'doy tez o'suvchan bu. Bular may oyida o'sa boshlaydi. Bizlar o'sha bug'doy o'sib 20 sm, 30 sm bo'lgancha bularga biz qarshi kurashmaymiz-da. Bular may oyini oxirlarida o'sa boshlaydi bu o'tlar. Bular. Shuni aytib qo'yda, keyin bizlar kurashamiz. Bu g'allaga ta'sir qilmaydi. Faqat ikkinchi повторный ekinda bu o'tlar o'sib rivojlana boshlaydi.
G'allani qachon ekasizlar?
G'allani bizlar yaqinda bir hafta 10 kundan keyin eka boshlaymiz.
Lekin maydigida urganingizdan keyin
urgan-
keyin bo'lib o'sadi.
bular o'sa boshlaydi.
Keyin sizlar to'g'ri kutasizlar.
Ha.
Hech narsa ekin bo'lmaydi.
Ya endi ular повторный ekin bo'lishi ham mumkin. Повторный ekin endi 26-yilga hali planlashtirilmaganmiz. Lekin hozir birinchi variantimiz bizni tezlik bilan yig'ishtirib olib turib, bularga elitni sort bug'doylarni ekish. U payti bu o'tlar ta'sir qilmaydi, hech yana o'qimaydi. Biz bu yerga ta'sir
o'shanda
qilmaydi.
siz urib olganingizdan keyin ekishdan oldin sizlar nimada kurashganmisiz?
Ha, ekishdan oldin xim preparatlar bilan dorilanadi.
Qanaqa?
Kranstat Albert, Sabля.
Yo'q, nom emas, xil.
Endi
nima
preparat
maqsad qiladi?
maqsad o'tlarni quratish uchun.
Imенно bitta bargligi.
Ha, bitta barglikdan ham, ikki barglikdan ham endi har xil preparatlar bor-ku, xim preparatlar. O'shandan biz foydalanamiz.
So what they do? So normally they seed wheat in the autumn every year.
Yeah.
They harvest in it. For example, in summertime in June, in the beginning, and then they wait. They also do herbicide against of these leaves, one leaf grass, and also
okay.
against of this 2 leaves also. But they wait. But also in autumn time, when they seed wheat again, they do nothing till that time. They wait, and they say that the wheat and wheat cannot how to say fight each other. So, how to say they can grow together. It's not so much
No effect.
Yeah, that's
But
true.
it's not glyphosate, yeah? It's other problem.
That's true.
Yeah? Okay, try it with glyphosate.
Bo'lmasam glifosat ishlatib qo'ysa ishlatadilar.
Mayli, uni ham ishlatib ko'ramiz.
Chunki aytyapsiz-ku siz urum qilib bo'ldinglar.
Ha, urum.
To'liq qilib dalani glifosat bilan hamma begonotlarga qarshi qilib tozalab qo'ysangiz, kuzgi paytga уже sizda begonot bo'ldi, dalada bo'lmaydi.
Dalada bo'lmaydi, to'g'ri. Ikkinchi повторный ekanda yer toza bo'ladi.
Kuz paytida yana уже toza yerga ekkan bo'lasiz.
Это очень правильный вариант, вот этот самый, который вы говорите. Это, вот этот препарат, так надо использовать. После этого не будет сорняка, и эта трава не будет.
So as you say that,
Да.
for example, after the harvest time, to clean totally, and then seeding, it's more
Okay,
effect now.
yeah.
It's better result.
Yeah, because what is different? Glyphosate is not selective. It kills all, yeah, and that's the reason why it's so powerful.
Glyphosat nima yutuqli joyi
product
sizni?
he said is selective, and then it's not so powerful. And if the weeds had a size, there's one size, they can do nothing. The plant's too strong. Special these grasses,
Yeah.
so strong. Yeah?
Chunki bular aytayotganlik glifosatning yutuqli tomoni u shunchalik kuchli, u begona o'tlarga hamma xil begonotlarga qarshi ishlaydi.
Lekin
bitta barglimi, ikkita barglimi hammasini to'liq qilib tozalaydi. Lekin siz aytayotgan hozirgi kunda gerbitsid ishlatayotganingiz, u uni kuchi unchalik kuchli emas, quvvati yo'q. O'shani hisobiga begonot o'sib ketsa, undan keyin ularga qarshi ishlashi effekti kam.
qarang, siz to'g'ri aytyapsiz, lekin u g'allaga ham ta'sir qilishi mumkin-da, hozir siz aytgan preparatlar.
So the glyphosate also can make a effect on the wheat too?
On the wheat?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I mean not on the wheat. I mean on the
g'allaga ham
our
ta'sir
crop, on
qilishi
our
mumkin.
culture. Yeah. You have to wait minimum 3 days.
3 days minimum. And maximum?
So it's better to wait 14 days, then next soil preparation for example, and do, because what is danger if you seed and okay, if you seed and say I want to use glyphosate immediately after seeding because I found many weeds, then you have to take care, because when the our crop come, glyphosate can kill them. It's not selective.
Siz ekib, naki ularga siz gerbitsid sepib qo'shmoqchi bo'lsangiz, unda bu juda xavfli. Lekin aytayotganlar o'zi oldin ekishdan oldin qilsangiz, eng kamida 3 kundan 14 kungacha siz kuchingiz kerak. O'shanda to'liq qilib tozalab, ekin qilsangiz, uni sizni ekiningizga ta'sir qilmaydi.
So the best thing is to do like this. Immediately after harvesting, tillage for make this like a seed
Yeah.
bed
Yeah.
for them. Then when the weeds came, when they have 2 leaves, kill them with glyphosate. Wait also 2 weeks for best effect, because then the glyphosate goes through the whole plant.
Yeah.
Then start seed preparation and seed beans or
But they have 4 months in a distance, so
Very
from the
good.
June and October.
Yeah.
So should they do it second time also
No.
while before for example, 1 week early before the seeding, or it's enough? For
yeah,
example,
they can.
can they?
They can.
That's why.
Yeah.
So o'ylayotganlari eng zo'ri qanaqa? Siz o'rim qilib bo'lganingizdan keyin o'sha g'alani urib bo'lganingizdan keyin
Haftamizga.
yeri mana yoz paytida uy bo'ldingiz siz to'liq qilib yeri tayyorlab, ekishga tayyorlab qilib qo'yib, kultivatsiyasini glifosatni to'liq sepib, hamma begona o'tlarga qarshi qilsangiz, o'shanda sizni vaqtingiz bemalol bo'ladi. O'sha 2 hafta o'tadimi, o'shanda hamma begona o'tlarni o'ldirishingiz mumkin, dalani tozalab. Lekin ekishdan oldin yana nobodda sizni begona o'tlar paydo bo'lgan bo'lsa, yana o'ldirishingiz mumkin-da, o'sha 3 kun, 14 kundan keyin siz eksangiz, sizda o'sha sizni bug'doyingizga ta'sir qilmaydi. То есть повторно yana glifosat sepishingiz mumkin ekishdan oldin. То есть birinchisi o'rimdan keyin, ikkinchisi ekishdan oldin ham yana bir sepsangiz bo'ladi.
And maybe if you do it like a system, because now here's many, okay, the pressure of weeds now, because this is ready and falls out.
Urug' tushyapti deyapti. Da.
So, and if you do it now in every year, for example, after weed, if you do it for each field, you can make more and more clean fields to bring this pressure of urug outside here.
Chunki o'ylayapti, har yili shu tizim bo'yicha shunaqa qurashsangiz, yildan yilga sizni holatingiz yaxshilashadi. O'shani hisobiga sizda begona o'tlardan keyin bu yerda paydo bo'lishi to'xtaydi. But the one question I have, so if they harvest now beans and they want to plant a seed wheat after that, in 1 week they want to do, what should they do now?
Now it makes no sense to do it with glyphosate, because the days are shorter, we have no time, we want to seed. Mulka.
Hozirgi kunda nima maslahat bera olaman? Keyin bir haftada siz g'alaba ekin qilaman deysiz.
Ekin qilamiz.
O'shanga aytadilar, hozir glifosat kunimizni hozir o'sha salqin, qisqa, o'shanga unchalik effekt yaxshi bermaydi. Nima maslahat beraman? Mulchivaniya bilan to'g'ri maydalab chiqishi maslahati beraman.
Aha, to'g'ri. Xuddi shunday qilamiz. Diskator bilan masalan,
Disko bilan bilan.
Diskator.
Okey, diskator.
And
Endi qarangda, bu yerda buni mana shu yerlar, mana shu maydonlar bundan 10 yillab, 15 yillab beri nerentabilniy yerlar bo'lganda, pastdan o't bosib ketgan oldin. Mana shuncha yerlar o't bo'lgan.
Necha yildan beri hosil
10 yil, 15 yil davomida o't bosib ketgan. Bu yerlarda hosil bo'lmaganda, endi biz hozir 2-yil bu yerda olganimizdan keyin hozir bizlar xim preparatlar ishlatyapmiz, yangi urug'larni egayapmiz, yangi anavi qishloq xo'jaligida bo'layotgan ekinlarni egayapmiz-da, ya'ni. Shuning evaziga hozir yaxshi hosil bo'lyapti. Bu yer ishdan chiqib ketgan yerlar edi-da oldin.
Okay, what he says, they use it for the second year now, second season for this field. But before that, 15 years it was not used. So it was full of the different wheat here on the field.
one reason more to use glyphosate.
Yeah.
For example, in Germany, sometimes we take fields and make them a few years for meadow, Greenland,
Yeah.
And after this, we have to break and make crops again before we always kill with glyphosate. Because we have all these weeds, the seed from the weeds inside. That's the best weapon.
Bu ham bir o'shanga sabab. Faqat glifosat bilan to'liq dalani tozalab keyin ekin qilsangiz, o'shanda siz ularga qarshi ishlay olasiz. Lekin o'sha aytayotganimizda ham Germaniyada bu yaxshi bir usul. O'shani glifosat bilan to'liq dalani tozalab keyin
Endi hozir bu sizlar aytgan preparatdan biz hozir foydalanamiz. Yana bizlarga vaqt kerak bo'ladi. 1 yil, 2 yilda bu o'tlardan biz butunlay voz kechishimiz mumkin, yo'q ketishi mumkin. U uchun biz haqiqatan vaqtida egishimiz kerak, vaqtida sug'orish kerak-da, vaqtida shu almashtirib ekish. Biz g'allani olamiz, g'alladan keyin обязательно fasol ekish kerak, ya'ni no'xat ekish kerak, boshqa narsalarni egib, haftorni egaversak, shunda begona o'tlar asli o'zi bilan yo'qib ketaveradi.
He's agree with you. At the same time, he says it takes time, minimum maybe 2 years to get a good result and put it systematically. For example, after the harvesting time, they can do the herbicide again by glyphosate. But after the harvesting, they also want to plant the bean again on the field. And then you see when they pick it again from the field, they plant to one more time to see the wheat
Yeah.
in the autumn time. That's why they have to do it in the right period, in the days. Otherwise, it's again the problem for them to manage that.
But
So
Yeah.
irrigation
Yeah,
is,
it's
should be in the time.
but this-
Everything should be in
but
time.
for me, as my recommend now, really I want to say, better to seed the beans 2 weeks later. Here's Uzbekistan. Look, we have near almost November, and look at the temperature.
Yeah.
So don't have stress. Seed 2 weeks later, but use this weapon of glyphosate.
They can,
Because look at this pressure of weeds here. It's also no solution in the long term. We lost yield
yeah,
in the summer crops especially.
I see. Bular nima aytadilar, nima baribir o'sha aytganingizdek to'g'ri, qo'shilaman. Lekin nima maslahat bera olaman? Siz bug'doyi u bo'lganingizdan keyin loviyani ekmoqchi bo'lsangiz, shoshilmang. 2 hafta bo'lsa ham sal kechroq eksangiz bo'ladi. O'zbekistonda iqlim shuni ko'taradi. Hozirgi kunda ko'rasiz, hali ham noyabr уже kelib qoldi, lekin hali ham issiq. O'shani hisobiga siz yaxshi begonotlarga qarshi ishlab, 2 hafta keyinroq eksangiz, o'shanda sizni natijangiz kelajakda yana anchalashardi, yaxshilashadi shu hisobda.
Endi hozir masalan biz hozir bug'doyni ekyapmiz. Bug'doyni maxsus o'sha Sabla, Albert degan preparatlardan foydalanyapmiz. Bu tez o'stirish bo'yicha. Lobiyani ham masalan qancha kech eksak ham o'sha preparatdan agar foydalansak, kech ekkan taqdirda ham bu tez o'sa boshlaydi.
While seeding, they also use the special preparats, also chemical product. So they support to growing faster. So it's also work for the wheat and beans too.
It works for the weeds.
Also,
Ah, they also push them.
That is
Yeah, topatura.
Topatura. Okay.
because as you said, they can also plant it a bit later for 2
Yeah.
weeks. But at the same time, they can use these
Yeah.
products also without any worries.
Yeah.
O'tgan yili biz mana shu yerga dekabrda boshlab, noyabrda oxirida bug'doy ekkan edik. Shuncha ham tez o'sha preparatlardan foydalanganimiz bug'doyimiz tez o'sib ketdidan, hosil ham mana shu sentyabrda ekilgan, 2 oy oldin ekilgandan keyin bizning bug'doyimiz juda yaxshi bo'lib ketdi. Sababi biz yaxshi preparatlardan foydalanib, to'g'ri texnologiya asosida ishlab berganimiz uchun.
Qachon kelgan? Noyabr.
O'tgan yil noyabrda oxirida.
So last year they did 2 seeding. One of the in the end of September, another one in the end of the November.
Wheat.
And yeah, and this he says the result from the November it was better because of this product compared to the field in the September they seeded.
Sentyabrda ekkanlar 25 sentr hosil berdi. Biz noyabrda ekdik, 80 sentr hosil berdi.
So from the September they get 2.5 tons of the yield. In November they got 8.
To'g'ri preparatdan foydalanganimiz uchun 80 sentr. To'g'ri preparatdan foydalanganimiz uchun, texnologiyasini to'g'ri tashkillashtirganimiz uchun.
Because of this product and because they do use the good technologies, that's why they got 8 tons yield of the wheat which was seeded in the end of the November.
Which preparat?
Mana yerda hozir bitta fermerimiz bor edi.
This product was supposed to grow up faster all the crops.
What is it exactly?
You mean the name?
Yeah, or what is this? Microelements.
Ichida tarkibida o'sha aytayotgan mahsulot ichida nima tarkibi bor? Nima
Ekayotgan
nima mahsulot ichida?
qara, birinchidan o'sha mahsulotni bir preparat bor, u tez o'stirishga harakat qiladi. Urug'ni bu dorilaymiz. Dorilaganimizdan keyin u tez ta'sir qiladi urug'ga. Ta'sir qilingandan keyin
Ekishdan oldin doritarasiz. So the first they do seed protection
Yeah, okay.
before the seeding.
Yeah.
Biz endi mana yerda bitta fermerimiz yonboshda bitta fermerimiz sentyabr oyining oxirida ekdi. Biz 2 oydan keyin ekdik. U xuddi urug'imiz ham bir xil edi. U 25-30 sentr hosil oldi, bizga 80 sentr hosil chiqdi. U bu preparatlardan foydalanmagan edi. Sug'orish jarayonida ham ko'p katta xatolarga yo'l qo'ydi bu fermer. Shuning uchun o'rtada farqimiz 70 sentr, 50 sentr farq qilgan.
That's why he said compared to the other field, another farmer also seed in the end of September. So the difference is more than 5 tons between them and the other guy. And also he said the difference also they didn't use this product, and also another farmer was not irrigating in time and well. This was a problem. Lekin bular so'moqchi bo'lgani o'sha ichidagi sodержанияsi, tarkibidagi nima qo'shilganligini ko'rsa yoki ayta olasizmi nima borligini?
Ya, endi hozir men ayta olmayman. Anavi vaqtda qo'llanmasi bor.
Uni nobodda ko'ra olamizmi yoki rasmdami? Ular qiziqyapti o'shani.
Anonsini berish mumkin keyinroq.
Because he doesn't remember. I asked maybe you have a picture of that. What kind of the terms and the product
I think
inside.
we only talk about the from the one field, the early seeded. They have used seed protection.
No, they didn't do it.
Protection?
No, they didn't
the
use
other
it.
not. That's
They
the
use it and seed it in the end of November.
But
The
the
another,
product, he always said this product. I think we talk about seed protection. That's all, huh?
Siz aytayotganingiz
Olay,
mahsulot u faqat urug' himoyalashtirishmi yoki yana qo'shimcha dorimi?
qarang, endi bu qo'shimcha dori hisoblanadi. Masalan, aytaylik, bu oddiy o'zi dorilayotgan urug'ni dorilayotgan sistemasi ham bor. Sabla degan urug' bor. Bu dori preparat. Bu sabla o'sish tezligini ta'sir qilgandan keyin 4 kun 5 kunga tezlashtirib beradi. Yerga tushgandan keyin, nam chiqqandan keyin u bir haftada o'sib chiqatdan tez o'sib ketadi. Erta hosildorlik oshadi.
Lekin urug'i dorilantiradi, to'g'rimi?
Ha, urug' dorilanadi.
So the seed protection.
Ikkinchisi
Only
bor,
we talk about this.
Yeah, that's true before seeding.
Now I understand 100%.
keyin yana bitta preparatimiz bor. U preparatni dorilaymiz. Albert degan preparat. Bu har xil kasalliklarga ta'sir qiladi. Masalan, zang kasalligi, gripp kasalliklar kasallanadi bular.
U ham urug'ini.
Ha, bu ham urug'ni dorilaymiz.
Also they also
Emlash.
use the protection another one too at the same time. It's against of the mushroom, so it's
Yeah.
fungicide.
So,
Fungicide.
now I understand 100%.
Ah.
When the other farmers don't use seed production, it's clear because seed production always has fungicide and insecticide. If you don't use, our seed in the soil starts rotten, many insects come, that's normal. Without seed production, for example, in Europe, nobody do.
O'shanga men tushundim
Only
endi hozir
organic farmer.
aytayotganingizni, chunki Yevropada ham urug' himoyalantirmasi yaxshi natija olmaydi. Germaniyada hech kim bitta fermer u narsa qilmaydi, himoya qilmasdan ekmaydi. Faqat kim qilishi mumkin Germaniyada u
Organic farmer.
organik mahsulot o'stirmoqchi bo'lgan
Very good.
fermerlar qiladi.
Very good, use it.
E,
Only, yeah? Doim.
keyin yana
Nima yaxshi tarafi faqat men ayta olaman, har doim shu narsani foydalanib ekish
It
kerak.
really, it's true. It makes yield. Because
Ah.
half of the seed without seed production will kill. Anyway.
Chunki yarim
Mushrooms,
ulug'ingiz
insects.
himoyalanmasa u
Ah.
yo'q bo'lib ketadi.
keyin yana bitta preparatimiz bor. Bu preparatni birga dorilaymiz. Bu qushlar o'g'irlab ketmaydi. Undan o'zidan hid chiqadi. Keyin qurt qumursqalar ham
Against all
qochmaydi.
bird they also used.
Okay?
Qushlarga qarshi.
Rubin. Rubin is the name of the famous
Qushlarga
we use
qarshi.
in Germany.
So rubin
Also,
uni nomi biz ham
so-
Germaniyada shundan foydalanamiz.
So, and very good. Don't seed wheat or barley or rush crops without.
Shuning uchun
To'xtatadi.
o'sish tezligini tezlashtirib, hosildorlikni oshirish uchun, qushlar o'g'irlab ketmasligi uchun, ya har xil kasalliklar ta'sir qilmasligi uchun biz birdaniga 4 ta 5 ta preparatdan foydalanamiz. Shuning hisobiga hosildorlik oshadi, bug'doy sifati ham yaxshi
That's
bo'ladi.
why because of these reasons they use 4 or 5 different products for the seed protection before the seeding. And for fungicide against the birds and then again for the grow regulator, everything. They put together and after that they seed. They always do it.
Sur. Okay. Next steps here. Next steps here.
Yeah, keyingi qadamga
So.
o'tsak bo'ladi.
So, we have end of October.
Hozirgi kunda уже oktyabr oxirgi
So,
kunlar.
here in Samarkand,
Pratik,
Uzbekistan,
Ha, Samarqandda biz O'zbekistonda.
we have time. Maybe you can.
Savmesni ishlaymiz ayting. Birga
Yeah.
savmesni
He's ready to cooperate, to work together.
Ernzen
That's good.
so savmesmen. Hoffen da.
Hoffen?
I don't know, he speaks Dutch.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
what we can do here after harvesting? Maybe
Run,
it's
run.
not so late. Yeah, it's end of October when you make like a second step. Because if you now maybe with this wait 2 weeks, huh? Maybe also a little wave of weeds came,
Orqadan
and
olma
then all the organic
olma.
will rotten, and then plowing. You understand?
So now after the harvesting,
First
you
this,
suggest it to disc it, wait 2 weeks, then plow.
then because why wait? First, all these weeds will rotten. Maybe because many uruk falls down.
Yeah,
Maybe it will come a little wave of some.
yeah,
Not all because it's late.
yeah.
And you can kill with the second main tillage.
Yeah.
It could be the plow or deeper tillage with other.
Yeah.
I think you won't plow.
We totally.
Just for recommend, use this time and then okay, seed in the end of November, but use this time for this rotten process and for maybe kill some weeds will come again.
But without
have
any
a-
herbicide, right?
Yes.
Okay,
Because for herbicide now it's
enough. Okay.
could be cold the
Nima
next and the
maslahat
day is
beraman
too short.
ota shu holingizda. Hozirgi kunda Samarqandda hali havo issiq. Oktyabr oxiri. Siz balkim terib bo'lganingizdan keyin disk va barna bilan shuni maydalab,
maydalab,
yerlarni tayyorlab
izmish
qo'ysangiz, u to'rpoq bilan aralashgandan keyin ichida chirishni boshlaydi.
boshlaydi.
2 hafta davomida kutsak, yana begona o't paydo bo'lsa, undan keyin biz shudga olasak plug bilan. Unda yaxshi ularga qarshi ishlov bersak, undan keyin yana eka olamiz
Okay.
noyabr oyida.
Okay, no problem.
My recommend.
No. Okay,
Bu
no
meni
problem.
maslahatim.
So
Хорошо.
that's enough from beans, I think.
Da. Loviya bo'yicha yetarli bo'lsa kerak deb.
And in the springtime, next year after seeding, when this grass will come, go to the market or ask Sancha also sells them.
Maybe.
Yeah. If there's a special herbicide in leguminosen,
Yeah.
it's for leguminosen against grass. Then you can also kill this one.
So you mean in the
Facade
summertime?
plus this one leaf. Yeah, it must be here with a few leaves,
Yeah.
2-3 leaves. Then
In June.
attack. Yeah, it's maybe 4 weeks after seeding, maybe or 6
Seeding or harvesting?
seeding. In the
In
soya.
the beans. Okay.
Yeah, first strategy is this glyphosate before seeding.
Okay.
So then when you seed, these 2 leaves herbicides forget. They
Okay.
have so less power.
That's true.
But if they have on the market, I'm not sure, but I think there is because we have many products in Uzbekistan. They can ask in leguminosen because this is kind of leguminosen
Yeah.
for grasses,
I see.
weeds. If they have, do it when they come with a few leaves. They also kill.
Lekin yozda o'sha yana nima aytolmayman, qayta siz bug'doy bo'lganingizdan keyin loviyani ekishni oldin aytganimizdek polniy glifosat bilan yerni tayyorlab eksangiz, o'shandan keyin yana bagina o'tlar o'ssa, уже loviya o'sayotgan ekib bo'lganingizdan keyin unda siz leguminozli siz gerbitsid ishlatsangiz, u bir bargli o'tlarga qarshi yaxshi ishlov beradi o'shanda.
Bu bug'doy dastiga. Bu yer bo'yini ham aytdim, oldin juda ham o't bosgan yerlar edi. Hozir biz pashta 50% dan ko'proq 60% o'tlarni o'zi hozir qilib.
Even now you see the result is 50 or 60%. Now they decrease the grass on the field.
Yeah.
It was twofold.
Because of this
Yeah.
low effect of this, what he spread Grameen Star or like this. What's
Yeah.
it? But it sounds to me like against grasses. Anyway, after glyphosate, when the next wave come of grasses, for grass we have good weapons.
Yeah, o'sha
The other we
aytganimizdek.
can do nothing.
Glifosatdan keyin ekin qilib bo'lganingizdan keyin yana o'sha bu o'tlarga qarshi alohida yana bir ishlov bersangiz bo'ladi.
Well, for example, also in
Yeah, I
cotton,
got-
yeah, I do it in Tashkent. We had a cotton field full of, it's like this grass who comes near to a lake. Yeah,
Yeah.
you have many in Uzbekistan, and we take a preparat because cotton and this grass also completely different kinds of plants. All grass was killed, and the
Yeah.
cotton grows.
Chunki Toshkentdagi ham bir
Shigalak, or what's the name? I don't know the name of the product, but they have.
Yeah.
Because it's completely other plant
I see.
to cotton or to leguminosa.
Paxtani dalasida ham xuddi shunaqa ishlov Toshkent viloyatida qilingan dalada. Paxta ekilgan paytida xuddi shunaqa bir bargli o'tlar juda bosib ketgan. U suvli joyi o'shani yonida o'sadigan o'tlar to'liq bo'lgani uchun ular shu gerbitsidni foydalangandan keyin yaxshi natija olingan. Chunki paxta bilan bu o't turi har xil. O'shani hisobiga paxtaga ta'sir qilmasdan shu o'tlarga qarshi yaxshi rezultat bergan.
Хорошо.
Okay.
Bo'pti.
Beans.
Okay.
Other questions?
Boshqa sizlarning savollaringiz bormi?
Yo'q,
Or
sen
wheat?
tushunarsiz.
Wheat. What did you in the
Bularda-
bugdoy against the weeds?
Hosillarda qanday
Sizni
bug'doyda?
bug'doyda nima begonotaga qarshi nima ishlov berasizlar?
Begona o'tlarga qarshi granstatlar ishlab beramiz.
Bug'doy paytida.
Bug'doy paytida. Bug'doyni o'sib chiqqandan keyin biz ko'rib chiqamiz, qanaqa o't chiqadi. Imенно o'sha o'tlarga qarshi ishlab beramiz.
Because they wait until it grow up and then they use the herbicide against all this kind of weeds.
Yeah.
Unga qarshi, unga yaqin o'tlar chiqa boshlaydi. Bahorda bug'doy bilan birga. O'shani biz ham zangga qarshi, ham o'tga qarshi bir marta ishlab beramiz. Shu bilan bug'doy o'sib
And
ketadi.
springtime they spray
Yo'q,
also
o'smaydi.
fungicide, they also
Fungicide,
herbicide together that time.
Fungicide also?
Yeah. Zambur bo'yicha do'sti qarshi
Ha,
to'g'ri.
zang, zamburo, o'sha
Yeah.
grip, boshqa
Yeah.
kasalliklar o'zi aniq bo'la boshlaydi-da.
Yeah, and also fungicide too against of the mushrooms and the spores.
Bu yerda g'alla qancha hosil beradi?
So, how many yield you can get from the wheat normally?
Here
No,
or-
you.
Ah, best was my best was 9.1, but in a normal year 8.
Mani eng zo'r hosil olgan 901 tonna bo'lgan.
Ha.
O'rtacha men 8 tonna olaman.
8 tonna o'rtacha. Средний это 80 центнеров будет, да?
Да.
80 центнеров урожается.
It's rare.
Bu real holati.
Not I'm the best, yeah.
Bu yerda ham xuddi shunday 80 sentr biz hosil oldik. Именно mana o'sha maydonda. Bundan boyun ham aytdim, biz 10 yil, 15 yillar oldin bu yerda hech narsa bo'lmagan.
They also
Birinchi
got 8
ekkanmiz.
tons from this field.
It's good for speakers. It's very good.
Yangi urug'lar keldi, hammasi Rossiyadan olib kelganmiz yangi urug'lardi.
And also no kind of the seeds they brought from Russia.
As we heard yesterday, maybe
Yeah.
these new types can do it. Yeah?
Yeah.
It's new
Yeah.
because
Chunki biz ham shuni eshitamiz, odamlardan balki masdan ham urug'i yaxshi sifatli bo'lgani uchun yaxshi va hosildor.
before I'm 13 years in Uzbekistan, when we had 6 or more than 6.5, it was very good.
Yeah,
now
chunki
we
shuncha
can get
yildan beri O'zbekistonda va oldin 6.5 tonna etilgan paytda o'sha yaxshi natija bo'ladi. Endi hozirgi kunda ko'zimiz 8 tonna olsam bo'lar ekan.
So, yeah, in wheat it's true. To fight against herbs is easy. We have many good products.
Yeah.
And it's true. In the beginning of the spring, when they are small,
Yeah.
treat them. That's true. But
Yeah.
then you can clean the field.
Aytganingizdek bahorda o'sgan paytida yana yaxshi gerbitsidlardan foydalanib ularga qarshi ishlasa bo'ladi.
And think about after harvesting. Yeah?
Yeah. Ya'ni qaytaramiz,
After wheat.
o'rim bo'lgandan keyin glifosat bilan to'liq dalani tozalab, hamma begonotaga qarshi kurashishimiz kerak.
Keyin mayli.
Okay. Well,
Traktorni olib kelamiz hozir. Traktorni bir ko'raylik qani bo'lsa.
Let's bring the tractor
Yeah.
and plow.